In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ClickUp for productivity. We'll walk through a simple setup that helps you capture tasks fast, organize them clearly, and get more done with less stress using a popular workflow inside ClickUp. First, head to ClickUp in your browser or desktop app and open the workspace you use every day. Inside your workspace, choose the space where you want your productivity system to live. A space is a top-level container in ClickUp, perfect for a theme like personal, marketing, or operations. Keeping everything in one space makes navigation easier and reduces context switching. Next, look for the plus icon within that space. This opens the creation menu where you can add new folders, lists, or start from a template. Using a template is the fastest way to launch a proven system without building every list and status from scratch. In the template browser, use the search bar and type "Getting Things Done." GTD is a trusted productivity method that helps you capture, clarify, and complete tasks. The search will surface templates built around that method so you don't have to reinvent the wheel. From the results, choose the version that matches your needs, then load it into your space. Once it appears, customize it so it fits how you think and work. Rename items so they're clear at a glance. Use short, action-based names like inbox, next actions, waiting, and someday. If the template includes custom fields, adjust them to reflect details you actually track, such as priority, effort, or context. Edit statuses to mirror the stages you really use, and remove any that create friction. Open a few example tasks and rewrite them to reflect your real work, then set sensible due dates and assignees so the system starts working immediately. As you tailor the template, keep it lightweight. The fewer lists and fields you have at the beginning, the faster you'll move. You can add complexity later, after a week of use. That's it. You went to ClickUp, used the plus button in your space, searched for "Getting Things Done," and then chose, edited, and renamed the pieces so the system feels natural. With this setup in place, you can capture tasks quickly, review them with clarity, and spend more time executing rather than organizing.